I want to hear me. I don't hear me. What's going on? Is this working or not? Okay, we hear you, but it's too loud. It's too far away. So we gotta fix this. Okay, I know now that you're listening to me. So this morning I made a boo. Why? Because I didn't follow my rule. The rules is you take a tray as soon as you see that the bodies, any of these bodies right here, any of these candles here, okay, the bottom, let me make it like this. This is the bottom. I'm gonna make it in, yeah, this white line. Let's not put any more colors. So the idea is, this is the 8 o'clock candle. And the 8 o'clock candle was an engulfing one. An engulfing candle. Engulfing engulfs this one, and 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 engulfs this one. And because it's just bigger. And none of these clear the bottom wick of this candle. See the wick right here? There. I'm gonna put a level. Out. Out of this one. Jesus Christ. So good. ABC. No. ABC. No. ABC. Yeah. Right. Up. Yes. One. Right. There we gotta make it black. Forward. Yeah. White. White. So let's see. This 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 is the root right here. Right there. That's the wick. So being that the wick, it's got to clear that, meaning that a candle has to be formed. Do I have a drawing tool? Okay. So right here, I need a candle that closes below here, something like this. No. Seven. Like that. Okay. That's not a square. Shame on me, I can't even draw a square. Okay. So, I will need to clean this up. So let me see if I can clear myself over here too. Shoot. And look at up to now, no candle has been able to close below here, below 34. So this is a support area. Why? Because look, this one tried, this one tried, this one didn't even try, this one tried, this one was the one that bailed me out, I believe. This one here. And then, oh yeah, because you see the entries and exits right here. And then this one didn't close. So all these weeks are rejections. That's a sign that the market wants to go the opposite way. And look at the bodies of those candles. Very tiny, indecision, 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 till this baby came in here at 9:30 when the New York's open, and bam, continue on. And look at, always, you see these weeks right here, this one here, this one here, those are for us to take advantage. How? Because I'm going to draw another line right there. I'm going to clone this one. Look at the bottom of the wick is right there. It's right here. This one. That's how low that came for the orders for this area. This area was acting as support, right? So then, excuse me a minute, let me do this real quick. Because you probably see me there, but I'm not seeing myself over here. So if I'm not seeing myself over here, I don't know if you're looking at the same thing or not. Then I put Google as my main source of business, and it's not doing. When I say it's not doing it, meaning that it's not paying attention to. So right here. Okay, so good. So these wicks here that you see here are rejections. And then this one came at 9:30 and bam, bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. And then you see the importance of having the standard deviation right there, the standard deviation right there. It poke over it. This is the two standard deviations, and I get that from the Bollinger Bands. And this is from the Bollinger Bands, but instead of having a line, I just have the dots, and I'm good with that because I don't want no more lines in here. Look, it's enough with the 5, the 8, and the 13, and then the two Bollinger Bands, and that's good. And it works for me. So I think at this time, I gave up on gold. I said, I picked up my money. I was like 100 and change in the green, and I said, ciao, pescado. We leave it. When I say ciao, pescado, that means goodbye, fish. Go and swim in the ocean. I'm all right. So then, that's one, check this out. 1, 2, 3, 15 minutes candles. This was the candle from 9:45 to 10 o'clock. And then the 10 o'clock reversal came in. And if this is an occurrence that happens all the time, I didn't know. Back in the day, I would have been crying or going to the bank or calling my bank to deposit money into Thinkorswim because I messed up. I got in at the high, trying to go higher, and look at this baby. It came back lower, down, short, back. No longer happening. And look at this. Even candles. You see that? Even Stevens. Right here. Bam. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Let me see if I can make this different color. Maybe here. Yeah, that's better. So you see that? The body of this one, look at over here. The close. The close is this last number. I'm going to place a up right here. Come on, there. I'm going to place this red You see that? 3408. 34. Wow, what happened? 3418. 3418. Keep looking over here. And then right here. 3415. That's 308. That's 308. That's a double top. If this week and this week would have been together here, we could have said that's a double twister or twister top. That's what it is, twister top. All right, so next, look at this. You place a line right here. You place a line right here, and you can get in. What else helps you? That this is an indecision, right? It's a little tricky because it's indecision. But in any event, it's still good. Still good. And then, oh my God, it's already 11. I gotta leave. And then this one here. See this one here? It's coming down. The 5. This one was above the 5. This one close up below the 5. If you don't know, now you know. Open, high, low, low, and close. And it closed below the 5. So that should give you your edge. That's your edge. It closed. So get in here. Get in here. Put your stop above here, somewhere here, and roll with it. Roll with it. Man, I ended up with no more work. And then look at what happened. Look how huge this candle is. This candle is from, let's see. This candle is, oh no, that's not very good. Or you can put, oh, the other thing you could do is use your tool, Fibonacci, right there. Fibonacci to the top. Bam. And where's the other one? Let's see, it's right here. Right there, because that's where everything's starting. Or you can even put it right here. The body. You could use the body or the week, whatever you want. And look it, if you got the settings just like I do, I would have been in this trade right here. It closed below 25. It closed below the third Bollinger Band, Bollinger Band, which is the third deviation band, right? You put your stop somewhere here, and you could write all of that. That's 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. That's 1 hour, and you make all that dough right here. Look at that. A stray, I think it went past. It went past the entry here. Yep. And it actually closed. This one closed, but no candle has closed below 306, 3406. Unfreaking. The other thing that you can look at right here, the volume profile. You see that? Right here, no black, no black. From right here forward, no black. Black is sell. This was all buy. It's single print, no double print. This is double print to me. Right here. Look at that. See that? Okay, we're done. Make it short and sweet. Enjoy.